guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Nafiz here, and I am back here with another video of my Python series. In this lecture we'll learn about logical operators in Python. So before that, please do subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell icon for my future video notifications. So let's get started with today's video. First of all, need to create a new Python file. I will name it logical operator. Logical operator. So what are the logical operators in Python? So suppose we have a statement that mm, is good equal to true, and we have another boolean variable is called um, is student equal to true. So we need to define a statement that if a person is good and also is student, then we will print you are right you are the right person. And so if we print this, in our console we can see that this line is being executed because if is good and is student both are true, because we are stating here, and that means this statement and also this statement has to be truth. If both are true, then this print statement will be executed. If any of this is false, say suppose we make is student a false, and if we run the program now, we can't see anything in our console because the AND statement is defining the first statement is true and also the second statement is true, but we have defined the second statement as false. That's why the print statement is not being executed here. So if we have another statement like else else print you are wrong person. So if we run this now, in our console we can see you are wrong person, because if is good and is a student is both are not true, then this else statement is being executed. If the both are true, if I make this true, in our console we can see you are the right person. Now we can't see you are a wrong person because the both statements are true, and if the first statement if is true, then it will print this statement and it won't be going to the next statement else. So we can see how we can use this logical operator here. There is another logical operator called OR. So if we place OR here and run the program, we can see no change here because the OR statement is defining if the first statement is true or the second statement is true. If any of these two statements is true, then it will execute this one, or if the both statements are false, it will execute this one. So if we make this one false, and if we run the program, we can see you are the right person, because the or statement has seen that the first statement is false but the second statement is true. That's why it's executing this. Or statement says if the both conditions, one of them is true, then the condition is true. If the both are false, say suppose we make it false, and if we run this, now we will be seeing you are a wrong person, because the both statements are false. So the or statement defines if one of the statement is true, then the whole program is true, or if the both is false, then the whole program is false. It will go to the else statement. There is another statement called not statement. Say suppose we have is student false. So if we write here, if is good student is false, or not is student. So if we run this, what will happen? Let's run this. We can see that you are the right person, because what's happening here, the or statement is defining if one of these is true or not. But we have given the previously we have given all the statements are false. So now the not operator is doing is changing is student false to true, because we are saying or is not a student, but it is not a student, so not is making the student true. That's why or statement is seeing this one is true, that's why it's executing this line, it's not going to this line. So not a operator reverse the boolean operator, so not is reversing the false to being a true. So in this lecture we have seen three logical operators: and, or, and not. So these are the logical operators of Python. I hope you understand them. If you haven't understand the lecture, please go through the lecture one more time, one two times, you will understand it. It's a easy topic to understand. So this was for today's video. I hope you enjoy this. I'll be back with another video. So till then, take care. Bye bye.